Alright, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a nice, easy, quick video of getting the doors ready to go back on the car, putting it back on the car, and that's about it. So right here I'm taking the paper off the doors and the tape, so that on the stuff that I didn't want to paint on. Right here I have to reattach the gasket to the door because I didn't want to get paint on that either and have it flake off in the future. So basically I just took it off, put it out of the way, put it under the cardboard so the paint didn't get on it and it stayed black. So I'm just reattaching it. Which is a pretty simple process. The gasket basically just clips onto some plastic clips and then it holds it in and it fits really well, so that's it going back on right there. Alright, so here's us putting the first door back on the car. There's 4 quick bolts, so here are the bolts right here. And now I forgot to put the latch and the door handle on the car, so I have to put them on now. And this is what I'm doing. So basically, I'll show you in 1 second. So right here, there's 2 nuts that hold the latch in, 1 and 2. So let's hold the latch in. And then you have the rod which connects the latch to the door handle right here. That's that. And there's another rod in there for the lock. I don't think you really need it. And then you have 1, 2, and 3 screws which hold the latch in. And then over here we have the door stop, which has 2 pins on it, which 2 nuts go onto on the back side. And then over here is the actual pin which holds the stop in. Alright, so here I am assembling the other door off of the car to build a bit more space and more light. So that was the door handle. Here's the latch again. So once again, 2 rods connecting the door handle to the latch. And here we are putting the nuts on the door stop. So here's a better view of that. So we originally put on the new door I just painted. It did not fit very well, so we ended up putting it back on the old door because there's not that much damage to this one. So that's the final product. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.